To make ground beef tacos, first, preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. Next, add 1 pound of lean ground beef and 1 medium onion chopped to a medium-sized iron skillet and cook it until the beef browns about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce to the pan and mix well. Once everything is combined, reduce the heat to a simmer and cover the pot with a lid. After simmering for 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and set it aside to cool until warm, draining any excess liquids. Add 12 taco shells to a baking sheet and warm them in the oven until crisp, about 5 minutes. After they've cooled, assemble your tacos. Add the beef mixture first, then sprinkle on your favorite toppings like cheese, lettuce, and chopped tomatoes. Finish them off with a tablespoon of salsa and sour cream. Then enjoy.